So I'm gonna be, well, creating a tier list on, well, every map. I'm gonna be, well, tier listing them or whatever. So, and I'm gonna be using an app called, hold on, I've got the name, Tier Maker on mobile. And just before I start this video, I'm gonna have to say that this is all my opinion. And my opinion's right, so yeah. So sit back, relax, and get some popcorn. So, the first one's gonna be, well, Forest. And it's right here. Forest is, well, amazing. I love it personally, so it's gonna S tier. So, well, beach is really nice. It's calming and peaceful, so I'm gonna put beach at, well, B tier. So canyons is, well, I like it. I like a lot of maps, but yeah, so that's gonna be another. Let me put in B tier. So, well, New Caves is good and all, but there's not much to it, I guess. Well, there's a lot, just music. That's all, so I'm gonna put in C tier. I said C tier. So Critters, it's huge. I don't know if it's massive. I know, but collecting the Critters is kind of boring. So just for that, I'm giving it D. So mountains, I love it a lot. So just for that, it's getting S. I said S tier. Metropolis. Metropolis, I don't know. Can be fun and tag, so I'm just gonna give it C tier. So, well, this is OG Caves, and I like it a lot, but giving it A tier. Clouds, okay.
Who wants to play mini games?